Tired of project chaos? Let's transform your Asana boards into productivity powerhouses with custom workflows. First, open the Asana project where you want to create your workflow. Click on the Customize button located in the upper right corner of your screen. This will open the project settings panel, giving you access to all the customization options. Now, select Rules from the Customize menu. Rules are the heart of Asana workflows, automating actions based on triggers. Click Add Rule. You can use pre-built templates or create a custom rule. For this example, let's automate task assignment. Choose the Task is Assigned template. This means when a task gets assigned to someone, something will automatically happen. Now, define the action. Will set the due date to be automatically assigned 3 days after a task is assigned. Select Set Due Date and choose the 3 days after trigger date option. This ensures that all tasks have a clear deadline as soon as they are assigned. Next, let's leverage dependencies. Dependencies are important to identify tasks that can't start until others are finished. Click the 3 dots next to the dependent task and then select Mark as Waiting On. Select a task it is waiting on. This prevents team members from starting tasks before they have all the necessary information. By using rules and dependencies, you will reduce manual work, improve team coordination, and keep your projects running smoothly. Now you have an automated project.